Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. The Great Mughals, SST Unit 18, Part 1. First, we will read the difficult words and their meanings. Continent, a very large area of land that consists of several countries. Civilization, way of life of human beings. Empire, a very large group of states or countries ruled over by a single king. Region, an area of a country. Dynasty, family tree. Generations, many lifetimes of human beings. Descendants, offspring. Conqueror, winner of a war. Architecture, the art of designing and constructing buildings. The land that today we call Pakistan is a part of the continent which has grown from civilization to civilization. There have been great empires like Kushan, Maurya, Gupta, and the Muslim rulers. The most important Muslim empire was that of the Mughals. The Mughal rulers ruled this region for more than 200 years. The Mughals were a Muslim dynasty that lasted for 7 generations. They were the descendants of the Turk conqueror Tamerlan and the Mughal ruler Genghis Khan. पाकिस्तान जैसा कि आप सब लोग जानते हैं उस कॉन्टिनेंट का हिस्सा उस बर्र आज़म का हिस्सा है जिसमें पुरानी तहजीबें पहले से मौजूद थीं। ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई नई तहजीब यहाँ पे आई हो, बहुत पहले से यहाँ पे लोग आबाद थे, पुरानी तहजीबें मौजूद थीं और वो फिर तरक्की करती गई और नई तहजीबें बनती गईं। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल कुशान, मौर्य, गुप्ता एंड मुस्लिम रूलर्स. And the most important Muslim rulers were the Mughals, and they ruled for 200 years. And the Muslim dynasty that lasted for 7 generations, it means that 7 नस्लों तक मुगलों ने हुकूमत करी और उनके जो आबा अजदाद थे वो थे तुर्क कंक्वेरर तैमूरलैन एंड द मंगोल रूलर चंगेज खान. The Mughals founded a strong government and expanded the empire greatly. They allowed Muslims, Hindus, and Christians alike to practice their beliefs. They promoted art and learning. To this day, certain works of the Mughals are known by such names as Mughals painting, Mughal architecture, Mughal carpets. Mughals ने बहुत ताकतवर गवर्नमेंट्स रूल करी और उसकी वजह ये थी कि उन्होंने मुस्लिम्स, हिंदूज, क्रिश्चियंस तमाम कौमियतों को उनके अकायद पे अमल पैरा होने की मुकम्मल आज़ादी दे रखी थी. उसके अलावा उन्होंने आर्ट को, आर्किटेक्चर को, इन सब चीज़ों को भी बहुत ज़्यादा प्रमोट किया. The Mughal Empire expanded greatly in the days of the earlier Mughal emperor, but the later Mughal emperors allowed the empire to break apart. As a result, the Mughal Empire came to an end and India came under the British control. Some details about some of the most famous Mughal emperors are presented in the following pages. Mughal Empire. In the beginning, the Mughal Empire expanded greatly and fastly. But as the time passes on, the Mughal emperors became weaker and weak. And उसके नतीजे में क्या हुआ कि न सिर्फ मुग़ल एम्पायर उनसे छीन ली गई बल्कि इंडिया भी ब्रिटिश कंट्रोल में आ गया और उसकी वजह सिर्फ और सिर्फ मुग़ल एम्पायर्स ही नहीं थे, उनके आपस के अंदरूनी झगड़े, दूसरे शहजादों और उनके साथ उनकी लड़ाइयाँ और ब्रिटिश का जो सबसे बड़ा रोल था वो था डिवाइड एंड रूल की जो उनकी पॉलिसी थी. उस सब तमाम चीज़ों ने मुग़ल एम्पायर को तोड़ने में बहुत बड़ा हाथ अदा किया, बहुत बड़ा किरदार अदा किया. Babur. Babur was the first Mughal emperor and founder of the Mughal dynasty. He was a son of Umar Sheikh, ruler of Fargana, a small state in Central Asia. Babur was a great military commander, a poet, a statesman, and an adventurer. He has written his life story by the title of Baburnama. Okay, now Babur was the first Mughal emperor और उसने ही उन 7 नस्लों की बुनियाद रखी जिनमें आगे चल के मुग़ल सल्तनत मुग़ल को दवाम बख्शा और उनकी मुग़ल सल्तनत चली. After losing his own kingdom to his relatives, he captured a few cities in Afghanistan and made a small kingdom. Raiding India repeatedly, he defeated the Sultan of Delhi, Ibrahim Lodi, at the Battle of Panipat. This is called the First Battle of Panipat. It was fought in 1526. He also defeated an army of Indian kingdoms led by Rana Sanga, and the foundations of a great Mughal empire were laid. Babur died in Agra, India in 1530. Babur has a small kingdom in Central Asia of his father in the state of Fargana. और जब उस स्टेट में उनसे बाबर के रिलेटिव्स ने उस पे कब्ज़ा कर लिया तो बाबर जो है वो अफ़गानिस्तान आया एंड फ्रॉम द अफ़गानिस्तान ही रेडेड ऑन इंडिया और वहाँ पे उसने अगेन ही रेडेड ऑन इंडिया एंड देन ही डिफीटेड द सुल्तान ऑफ दिल्ली इब्राहिम लोधी एंड देन after defeated him he defeated the Rana Sanga as well and then he established his government. I hope that you understand all this and you have to make a fact file of Mughal Emperor Babur. The outline for the fact file is given below. Fact file, father's name, book, enemies defeated, battle place, battle year, death place and year. Okay, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Jazakallah.